Red, 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 it's the fire in my veins, a burning spark that dances when the night complains. Crimson whispers echo in the corners of my mind, a heartbeat pounding louder, leaving doubt behind. Blue, 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 like oceans deep and wide, a calming wave that carries secrets that I hide. Sky above so endless, painted shades of truth in every shade of sapphire. I find my youth, colors swirl inside me, painting all I feel, a rainbow of emotions, every shade so real, from fiery red to gentle blue. The spectrum paints my soul in every hue and every tone I'm learning to behold. Yellow, 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 the sun that lights the day, a golden glow that chases all the shadows away, warmth that fills the morning, laughter in the air, a promise of tomorrow, hope beyond despair. Green, 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 the forest's quiet breath, roots that dig so deeply, life defies the death, leaves that sway in rhythm, nature's gentle song. In every blade of grass I find where I belong. Colors swirl inside me, painting all I feel, a rainbow of emotions, every shade so real, from fiery red to gentle blue. The spectrum paints my soul in every hue and every tone I'm learning to behold. Pink, 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 like petals in the spring, soft and sweet, a tender touch that makes my heart sing. Orange, 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 like sunsets burning bright, fading into twilight, holding on to light. Black, 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 the velvet night's embrace, mysteries unfolding in the vastness of space. White, 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 the purity of dreams, silent snow and moonlight, endless silver streams. Purple, 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 the twilight's quiet grace, a regal cloak that wraps me in its warm embrace. Brown, 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 the earth beneath my feet, steady hands that build and hearts that beat. Gray, 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 the mist that veils the dawn, between the dark and daylight, a world reborn. Sky blue, sky blue, sky blue, the endless open sky, a canvas vast and waiting for dreams to fly high. Colors swirl inside me, painting all I feel, a rainbow of emotions, every shade so real, from fiery red to gentle blue. The spectrum paints my soul in every hue and every tone I'm learning to behold. Out so here I stand, a prism in the sun, reflecting every color, a story just begun. Red, blue, yellow, green, a life that's bold and true. In every shade I find myself forever shining through. Green, 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 oh they green, the filing way for action day. Rub his sand.